Tony Lucy here, and welcome to my first video in Tony's 2-minute educational video series. So I'm creating an entire library of videos that will cover all housing and mortgage related questions that you can access through my YouTube channel at any time. So this week's topic is FHA loans. So what are FHA loans? Well, an FHA loan is a mortgage that's insured by the Federal Housing Administration. So borrowers with FHA loans pay for mortgage insurance each month that covers the lender from a loss if the borrower defaults on the loan. Meaning, so basically if you guys buy a home, stop making payments, the bank is protected by that insurance you're paying for by the FHA. The insurance for the banks makes it a much less risky loan to give out. So since it's a less risky loan, they're willing to give you a lower interest rate and a lower down payment to start off with, a 3.5% down payment instead of a 10%. So on a $300,000 home, this is the difference between $10,500 and $30,000. So quite a significant difference if you ask me. In order to get that 3.5% down payment, you must have at least a 580 FICO credit score. So anything lower than that it would need to be a 10% minimum down payment. Something else you should know is that while the down payment usually comes from your own personal savings, it can be gifted from a family member, which can be used for your down payment. So there are also some down payment assistance programs out there, which can cover some, if not all, of your down payment if you meet the requirements for that program. Something definitely worth looking into. So something else super important to know is that after you've paid down 22% of your loans, so you own 22% equity in the home, that mortgage insurance drops off, saving you hundreds of dollars a month. Super important. So FHA allows for home sellers, builders, and lenders to help cover closing costs as well, which can save you thousands of dollars up front, which can give you money to put into the home. While there are many different lenders who are FHA approved, that does not mean that they're all going to give you the same interest rate. I advise shopping around and checking out your options. For the most part, I highly recommend private lenders instead of big banks. They tend to be much more flexible in my experience. I hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free and reach out to me at any time, and I am more than happy to take care of you guys. I'll see you soon.